Okay, we're down to the last topic in our last 3 slides for this lecture. Let's talk a little bit about the literature review. The literature review is discussed in Chapter 4 of Stringer's text, and we're going to visit it just a little bit early. So what's the point of conducting a literature review? A review of the literature already published on your topic gives you insight into the issue that you might not have from only the context in which you experience it. So who else is dealing with or has dealt with this issue? What solutions and understanding has already been documented? What has worked? What are the pitfalls? What are some of the thoughtful questions researchers have already asked about this topic? Does any of this research apply to your situation? So if you think about a measurement of trustworthiness, are there transferable studies that might inform your project? This week, you'll begin just the foundation of your literature review by collecting no less than 5 scholarly articles that are relevant to your topic. This is an individual assignment, and you can each select a topic of your choosing. However, you're also welcome to coordinate with your project team, and each of you conduct a search on your proposal topic. That would make for a great foundation for your literature review for your actual proposal. How do you know if an article is relevant to your topic? Even if the title of the article appears appropriate, it may not be relevant once you get into the meat of the text. Thus, it's essential that you read at least the abstract of each article on your reference list to be certain that it is indeed relevant to your topic. Sometimes when you conduct a broad search on a topic, you can get back more results than you can possibly review, making you feel like the guy in this picture. If you can, make sure you use more specific language to narrow the search and find just a few articles that inform you on your topic. Even if it returns a few hundred articles, just find the first 5 or so that are really relevant to your subject. Let's go on to the next slide to learn a little more about this assignment. You aren't going to create a literature review in which you would describe each article and how they relate to one another. You're just going to create a reference list in which you provide the proper citation for at least 5 relevant articles. On the next slide, I've provided a screenshot of where you can access the CSU online library resource from the RamWeb login page. You will also find the CSU library guide in this module as a resource, and there are lots of great resources on the library website. So here are the requirements for this assignment. Create a reference list of no less than 5 articles on your topic. The articles must be from scholarly, peer-reviewed journals. Your reference list must be in APA format, though there's no need for a cover page, just add your topic in the header. A great website for APA format is also listed in your resources. Be certain you review the article for relevance to your topic, as I will be reviewing them as well. Later, as you begin to read these articles in full, keep in mind the elements we talked about in this lecture: planning, ethics, rigor, trustworthiness. Looking for these elements as you review these studies is a great foundation for becoming consumers of research. Okay, view the final slide for the library link. I look forward to your proposal topics and the balance of this week's assignments. Have a great week.